How to create or add Google Maps to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or embed Google Maps to your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it, and then in the online store page, you will find edit theme. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. As you can see, this is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the Google Maps here. So I'm gonna click uh, add section here in the template. And then you can search custom liquid. Click this one. And now you can name it maybe uh, Google Maps. And then you have to put the code or the HTML code. So in order to get the code, you can go to elfsite.com, this one, and then sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widget here, and then you will find a lot of widgets here. So you can scroll until you find Google Maps. This one, you can click on it. So as you can see, display interactive maps with multiple locations to help a user find your place with ease. So you can just click create widget for free, and then you will find a lot of templates here, template styles, yeah, something like that. And then you can choose whatever style you want. So maybe I want this one. I think this is better, or this one. I think this is good. So you can just click continue, and then you can customize the content, the location, and then the categories, icons, and the maps. You can customize it, you can choose the map type, and then, you can explore here. After that, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. So if you think all good, you can just click publish, and then you can pick a plan to install the widget. I'm gonna choose the free one. You can click on it, and you will get the code here. Now you can just click copy, and then back again to the website editor and press the code here, and then you can wait a few seconds until it appears in your website, and it will be like this. So you can also try another styles. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.